asawa ko day. Papunta na ng work yung asawa ko day. Love you!
Love you.
Love you too! Stay safe!
Be ready.
Okay! Bye-bye! Sabi niya sa akin, day. Sabi ng asawa ko, mag-ready daw ako mga inday. Kasi mamaya, day, may pupuntahan kami mamaya. Pagdarating na siya galing work mga inday. So, yun yung sinigaw niya. Be ready, love. I love you. Aww. Sino ba naman ang hindi ma-in love yan, day? So sweet yung asawa ko, day. I'm so lucky having my husband. Thank you, God. I'm blessed. Ngayon din, nag-inom ako ng hot water. Hindi na siya hot, day, kasi nag-i-edit kasi ako sa ating video, day, na ipopost ko, day. Kaya, malamig na yung hot water ko. Gusto ko painitin yung tubig. Day? Water, day. Na lang natin, oven na lang natin. Kasi, ayaw ko magamit ng oven, day. Kasi medyo maingay basta oven. Ilagay ko na lang dito uli sa aming initan ng tubig. Initan na tubig. Basta anong Tagalog nun, day. Comment kayo sa comment section below, day. Tulungan niyo ako. Nang humihingi talaga ng tulong, no? Close natin. And then, paandarin natin tong ating tubigan. Hoy. Okay. Yan na, day. Okay na yan, day. Mailaw na. Diba? Ang weather natin ngayon is 6 degree Fahrenheit. But it sabi ay it feels like -1. So ganyan kalamig ngayong araw na tong mga inday, mga dudong. Tingnan niyo ang labas natin, day. Parang natutunaw, iwan ko. I think same lang yesterday yung day yung yellow, day, na nasa aming bubong. And then yung snow natin, same pa rin. Dark pa siya, day. Ang oras dito is 6 o'clock in the morning na. So, madilim pa. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, day, is cloudy. I think cloudy ngayon. I hope mawala itong cloudy, mga inday. Kasi ayaw ko talaga yung cloudy na day ba? Weather, day. Nakakasad. Kayo ba, mga inday? Sad ba kayo kapag cloudy yung weather natin dyan sa Pilipinas or nasa ibang bansa man kayo? Ako, day, ganyan. Ako, day, iwan ko, day. Nakaka-affect sa emotion ko. Nung tayo ng hot water ulit, day. Super good. Kailangan ko magbihis ng jeans, day, kasi madumi yung yung pangbaba ko madumi. Hello, mga inday, gising na yung ating Bibi Kano, yung bata natin, day, na makulit, gising na po. Kukunin natin, mga inday. Lagay ko yun dyan. Ito na naman. Nagdrama, day. Nagdrama yung bata-batuta natin, day. Dali, mama, come here. Come here. Dali, dayon. Come here, mama. Nangangis siya, Narago, day. Nagdrama, day, Nagdadrama ang batuta, Diba? Teka mo, mama. Tanawa, day. Nakahiga na, day. Kasi nga, nagdadrama yung bata natin. Sobrang drama po. Ay, sis, yung bata. Alam ko na yan, nak. Alam ko na yan. You don't want to carry, mama? Okay. Paayaw-ayaw pa siya, day. Paayaw-ayaw. Yan na kami, mama. Good morning, bata. Come. Tumatawa siya, mga inday. Come Here, come here. Dali na yan. Dali na. Come na, mama. Ayaw niya talaga, day. Bahala siya, day. Hindi ko siya pipilitin. Tingnan natin kung anong reaction. Punta tayo dito sa living, kitchen, day. Tingnan natin kung iiyak ba o hindi. Oh, yan. Umiiyak, mga inday. Umiiyak. Diba? Sobrang drama ni Bibi Kano talaga, day. Sobrang drama, day. Oh, tanawa. Oh, nandyan, oh. Diba? Sobrang drama. Drama talaga tong bata to. Kunin ko mga inday, ha. Oh, dali naman. Kamay na. Dali tayo. Sobrang drama mo, ha? Nanggigil ako sa'yo ba? Nanggigil ako sa'yo. Yung kamay niya isa, day, wala ng socks, day. So, ang ibig sabihin, nagtamsak to, day. Nagtamsak. Kinuha niya. Siya yung nagkuha. Gusto niyang kumain ng biscuit, day. Other one. Sobrang madama tong batang to. Wala din na ma-close. Okay. Punta tayo sa punta tayo dito sa living, day. Ito sa sala. Ay, Ginoo ko. Na medyo madilim, day. I-update ko kayo mamaya. Gusto ko i-open yung yung window, day. Para day, medyo madilim, day, ha. Pasensya na kayo, day. I-open natin tong window para papasok yung ilaw or yung liwanag. Diba? May liwanag na. Ilagay ko kayo dyan, mga inday. Kasi i-off muna natin yung electric fan. And then linisan muna natin itong bed. I-arrange natin, day. Okay, naunsa naman eh. Si Bibi Kano, nakaupo lang doon, day, oh. Nakatulala sa hangin. Nakatulala sa hangin. Yung bata, batuta natin. Ito na yung socks, day, oh. Ito na yung socks. Kinuha niya. Tawa-tawa ka pa dyan, ha? Nagtamsak ka kanina, ha? Kinuha mo yung medyas mo, ha? Bantay ka lang. Ay, sorry. Mga enday, ito yung, tingnan nyo, yung ii ni Bibi Kano, ang tawag niya nito, aday, is ii. Ii daw to. Ta. What you said? Ta. Ha? Ta. Nandiyan yung bata rin, oh. Kumakain ng biscuit niya na. Yummy? Ha? Yung paa, day, oh, nakahinambid pa. Kagaya talaga ng papa niya, day. Look, oh. Tingnan niyo, mga day. Ganyan yung papa niya mag-upo, day. Nakuha niya talaga sa papa niya. What? You talk to Ate B. Hi, mga ati. Good morning. Kain tayo ng biscuit. Sis, yung busy, mga bata kumain. Ay, ngayon, i-on natin tong TV, day. Saan yung remote control? Hala, hindi ko makita yung remote control ng TV, day. Iwan ko saan nalagay yung remote control, day. Guys, makati yung ulo ko, day, Wala akong photo, day, ha. Baka kaspa to, day. Iwan ko. Wala naman akong kaspa. Day, update ko kayo mamaya, mga inday. Hahanapin ko muna yung ating remote control ng TV. Mga inday, nakita ko na yung remote control, day. Oh, ito na, oh. pakiking, pakiking, king, pakiking, pakiking, pakiking. Tumatawa ka ng bata, oh. Pakiking, 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 king, 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 king. Tumatawa yung bata natin. Nag-iyak-iyak kasi, diba? Napakarga lang talaga. Ay, utot! You are utot? Ha? Hadol! Bata ka nga kulit. Kuha tayo ng biscuit. You want this biscuit? You want this biscuit? One, two biscuit. Yay! Thank you, Mama. You say thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. You say thank you ba? Wala mo ka ng thank you. Oy, you are not saying thank you, oy. Gre, yun ko day ang bigat. Bibi ka no day eh. Ay, bata batuta. Ilagay natin uli doon sa ano day. Sa dito sa ano ba? At likod at sala. Para ihanda ko yung pagkain niya. Oy! 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 Why you are cupping? No, no, no. Stop cupping, Asher. Are you okay? Are you okay? Ay, nagdrama-drama naman ka nagkap-kap. Oy! Dili ka magduldul sa mong kuya, ha? Kaya mong kuya, nagkap, imong kuya, matakdan ka. Mag-ubo ka dong, di ka magpaduol sa mong manghod dong. Tubig, your water, oh. Yung water. You're okay? Okay. Mama will make ready your food now, okay? Mama will make ready your food. Asher? Na-ready ko na yung food niya, mga inday. Kain tayo, mga inday. Inom tayo ng kape. Uy, maganda yung weather namin ngayon, mga inday. Nagpakita si Haring Araw, and then ito yung kape, 'di ba? Maganda yung view mo, and then habang umiinom ka ng mainit na kape, mga inday. And then ngayon si Bibi Kano, no. Si Bibi Kano, pinapakain ko ng boiled eggs, mga inday. You eat na that one na. Na, you eat na. Still hot? Ha? Agoy. Yeah, you chew your food now. Nag-breakfast na si Bibi Kano, day, and then iinom ako ng mainit ko na kape. Ang sarap, day. Basta ganito yung weather, day ba? Masaya talaga ako, day. Hindi nakaka-depress. Basta ganito yung weather, mga inday. Sarap ng kape, day. Nakita mo agad? Hindi na. Sobrang sarap ng kape. Inom tayo. Oh, ang ganda ng panahon talaga. Hi, Ate. Good morning. My name is Asher. You say my name is Asher. Maayong buntag sa tanan. You say maayong buntag. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Yeah, that's right. Good job. Hi. You say hi. Hi. Maayong buntag. Good job, anak. You done good. Good job. Good job, good job. Tama na, Nabi. Enough na, Nabi. Taas na yung vlog ni mo. Enough na. That is too long already. That's too long already, gani. Okay, you off now. You off. You off. You off na. That's long video, Asher. They don't like that one. Wow, may bana singing, ha? I still remember that day that you sang. Yeah, that you sang that song. Like my heart is like, oh, lots of butterflies. I love it. Yeah. I never forget love, you know, all of our moments together. Oh, I don't want to cry.
Oh, don't cry.
I don't know, my eyes. I want to punch my eyes, I think.
You want to punch your eyes.
Yeah, because it's easy to have a tears, you know. I don't like.
Are you going to be ready when I get home to go to the store?
Yeah, I will. Yeah. I love you, handsome.
Oh, I love you too, love.
So much.
Hey, love.
What
About
yay?
time and a half today. Yeah.
What you said? I don't
I said
hear.
I'm on time and a half today.
Yeah, that's right. So what time that you gonna go back, Gani, here? You will out.
Oh, I don't know. I mean, I'm going to stay if we work that 9th hour because second shift doesn't come in tonight, so they might work us 9 hours.
Yay! That's good, love. Go for the overtime.
Yeah, I'll take that extra $55, $60.
Yeah, that is super good already. That overtime, you know. There's no free anymore. There's no free anymore.
Yeah, that's right. And then you got to work next Saturday.
Yeah, I'm really hoping and praying that will always be like that.
Well, it's not going to always be that way, love. But then
No.
the next Saturday I'm off, but it doesn't really matter because that's the profit sharing.
Yeah, you know, I'm talking like,
And then the next Saturday we're scheduled to work after that.
yeah, okay, that's good. You know, I'm talking like even just 2 times in a month or 3 times in a month.
Yeah, that's crazy, son.
Yeah. Why you are like that? He's OE. With there is a camera, love. He is OE already, love.
Yeah.
I don't understand that. Oh, see? He is laying down in the floor now. How OE he is. Ay, shoes. Drama. Super drama kaayo. Mga Inday, punta tayo ng labas. Maganda yung weather namin ngayon, mga Inday. Thank you, God. Maganda yung weather natin for today's video, mga Inday, mga dudong. Tingnan yung mga Inday, oh. Yay! Ang ganda. Thank you sa sun, God. Thank you sa sunlight. Thank you for the snow. Thank you for everything. Maganda yung weather namin ngayon. Yay! Wow! And then dito sa kabila dahil sa aming neighbor. Neighbor namin, hello neighbor, we have a good weather today. Even still cold but still have sunlight. Maganda diyan. Di ba mga Inday? Ay, masaya ako dahil. Dan doon si Bibi Kano dahil nanonood ng kanyang baby song. Alam naman natin mga baby, di ba? Gusto nilang manood ng mga baby song ngayon dahil. So ngayon, iwan ko dahil, ay, lalabas talaga kami mamaya. So iwan ko kung sa anong plano ng asawa ko, kung saan kami pupunta dahil. Titingnan na lang natin kung ano ang ating kaganapan for today's video, mga Inday. Mga Inday, labas tayo. I-check natin yung mailbox, day. Parang 2 araw na, day. Hindi ko na-check yung mailbox, day. Kung may laman ba doon o hindi. Maglagay muna tayo ng sapatos, day. Oh, ito na day atong sapatos tayo. And then yung isa, ilagay natin yung isa. And then hindi na ako lalabas day. Lalabas na lang ako. Doon na lang ako sa side day. Agray. Uy, ang hirap naman. Dito na lang tayo sa what we call it that garage. Dito na lang tayo sa garage dadaan day. Hindi ko na lang i-open yung yung what we call that dito sa garage door ba. Dito na lang tayo sa likod mag walking. Good morning, Nibor. Kumusta, Nibor? Dito na lang tayo dadaan day. Yung ice. Kasya man naman ako dito day. Uy, mahangin. Mahangin siya day. Mahangin pero okay lang yan. May haring araw. Kawa na day. Maginaw. Basta yung dadampi yung hangin sa katawan mo day. Maginaw siya. Oh my God. Oh jeez. Oh, I can feel it, the cold. Go lang, go. Sobrang. Oh my God, yung mirror ko, baka tinatagawanan na ako day. Ganito yung ko day, attire day. Madalian tayo day. I-check lang ako, yun nga, may laman day. Marami day. Maraming laman. Hala. No. Ito day oh. Okay, Ginoo ko. Okay. Tingnan yung. Ay day. Tara na day. Ay, Ginoo ko. Jeez. Maginaw. Sobrang ginaw. Pasok na tayo. Tumatakbo na ako dahil. Tingnan mo nga. Diba? Ay, nandito na tayo. Almost there. Pasok na tayo sa loob dahil. Ay, sarado natin. Uy, hindi na sarado. Agay, tatay. Hindi na sarado na. Sobrang ganaw. Akala ko makapal na yung ko day, suot ko day. Hindi pa pala ito makapal. Ginoo ko. Pasok sa mahiwagang bahay. Ay, Ginoo ko. Wajud taan ni day. Wak na, natapon na. Ano to? Tignan natin, ano to? Okay. Ito, hindi wala to day. Ito, wala din to. Ito, iwan ko to. Titingnan ko yan. Ito, pre-selected for. Wala to, mga credit card day. Gusto nilang mangutang ka day sa kanilang bangko. So ito ay wala din to. Mga ba? Mga promotion sa bed, couch. Uy, ang kapal nitong what we call that? Jaryo day. Ang kapal ng jaryo ay. Jaryo lang to day. So ito, titingnan ko to. Ano to day? Okay. Para isabi ko sa asawa ko kung ano to. Pero, ang ito inventory this. Ano ito for OS smoker money. Use the tax cash. About sa tax. Bring the check with you plus You can use brakes, packers, taken into consideration for all service packers. As long as it is required. I don't know, ipakita ko to, Day. Parang ano ito, sa sasakyan namin, Day, ba? Nung nasira yung sasakyan namin, dito na company na pinaayos namin yung sasakyan. Ipapakita ko ito mamaya kung anong masasabi ng Diyosawa ko, Day. Ay, Ginoo ko, sobrang lamig talaga. Uy, Ginoo ko, kahit may araw, sobrang lamig pa din, Day. Mga Inday, nandito na yung asawa ko, Day. Kailangan namin magmadali. No, it's not. Just now. Kailangan namin bilisan. Kasi nga, ay lalabas tayo, Day. Ay, hindi mo kuha na, Day. Nagmamadali tayo, Day. Let's go na. Come here, Mama. I come here, love. You go here. Hey. Come here, you give Asha to me. Okay. I'm gonna put that one there. Give me Asha. Ouch. Hi. Hi, hi. Hi, mga ati. Hi. Yeah. Hello, hello. Medyo Mama, ini Mama. Push faster, Asha. You put your hands here. Other one. Yeah, that's right. Araw, gabi. Yeah. Nasa isip ka. Yeah. Naranda. Okay. Mama, you are done. Mama will go in the other side. Okay. Let's go, mga Inday. Ano lang? Yay. Yung cellphone ko nandito sa let's go. Yung buhok ko, Day, wala, Day. Let's go, let's go. My lab, it's open here. Okay. Sawa ko, Day, nandyan yung sawa ko, Day. Yay. Mga Inday, nandito tayo sa gasoline station. Ay, yung ang wanda yung tinig ko, diba? Yung boses ko. Yung asawa ko, nandiyan yung asawa ko sa gilid. Mag-gasoline tayo kasi wala nang laman. Wala nang gasoline yung ating sasakyan. Ano na lang, Day? 19 miles na lang, Day. Wala natin. Titirik na tong sasakyan namin, Day. So, kailangan natin painumin ng gasolina. Ito yung gasoline station ay, Kroger. And then dito. Araw, gabi. Nasa isibili ka, no? Nandyan sa likuran. La 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 la. Saan man magpunta. Ay, wala din. Ako na sa sa ano ba? Music sa TikTok. Day, ang daming langgam, Day. Mga itim na langgam ba? Palipad-lipad, Day. Doon pa sa building. Hala. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Papunta ng summer or fall season? Ay, not fall season. Ano ba? Uy, nakalimutan ko dahil. Ano na next month dahil? Basta dahil, malapit ng summer dito sa amin. Pero hindi pa siya summer. May iba silang, ano yun dahil? Nakalimutan ko dahil. Nakalimutan ko talaga ng pangalan. Anong season next month dito sa amin. Pasensya na kayo, day. Ang dami talaga nila, day. Oh, nasa bubong, nasa puno ng kahoy. Basta. Ay, tay.
Hold while you do it.
Nandito na kami, mga inday.
Yeah. Mama and I.
Mga inday.
Yeah. Mama Ludes.
Mga
Manga Ludes. Manga.
nga dudong.
Mango shakes. Yeah.
Mango shake.
Yeah,
That's
mango shake.
You're so
I was
cute.
watching a video today that says if you've been to the Philippines and then you've had fresh mangoes and then you come back here and decide that you can't eat mangoes anymore because they're too sour, they're too hard, you are now a mango snob, they said. Yeah. American mangoes are no good no more.
No good anymore.
No.
After you try the Philippine mango.
Yeah, that's right. No.
Ay, di na ako. Day, kukunin na natin si Bibi Kano, day. Kunin na natin. Hi! What happened to your... What happened to your cat?
Well, what happened?
Oh, wa na. Ay na, mama. Sis, ay. Ihugaw mo na ang naong aning bata. Uy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Papa. Papa will carry you.
Why is every time we pull in here there's a fire truck?
I have no idea. I don't know why. Yeah. Papa, help Mama. It's hard. Let's go, mga inday. Hi. Let's go, my love. Hey. Oh, what is the road is clean, my love, today. It's not, wet because it's not raining. I don't know. No, it's dry. Pasok na tayo, mga inday. Ooh, it's super cold. Pasok na tayo. There's coming, my love. Bilang tayo nito, guys. Nilinisan natin. Okay, likot ako. Okay, let's go inside. No, let's go. Pasok na tayo, mga inday.
There.
So-
I just turned the volume down.
Hello, Bata. You are being good ba? Yeah, you're a good baby. You are just quiet and behave. Oh, yung asawa ko dahil nandyan dahil namili dahil. Namili ng kanyang bibilhin. Nandito kami sa $10. Hi! Hi! Hello! Namili pa yung asawa ko, mga inday. Namimili pa. Namin ko sa'yo. Hoy! Jesus love! Don't do like that. I filming you. No, it's part of
Oh, I ruined it.
daily life. Yeah, you ruin it. I don't
Ruin
like
the video.
it. You are not participating, ha? You are not cooperating, ha?
Not cooperate.
Be cooperate. You will be a good boy na?
Probably no,
You are funny.
but I'm gonna try.
Are you gonna try?
Gotta count this up.
Asawa ko na. Na. Let's go. Oh, there's a fresh. 40 pesos of water bottle. It's $5.99. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mama Inday.
Mga inday. Mga inday.
Yeah, that's right.
Sabi ng asawa ko dahil
That's
mga
right.
inday daw dahil.
Yeah. Karu. Love, we got a whole love still.
Yeah. I'm just ano eh. You get bread. You got bread. Huh? No, you cannot hold. No. Let's go na mga inday. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao ngayon. Buhok ko dahil. Buhok dahil. Ayaw ko talaga itong buhok. Tumatayo dahil ba yung baby here?
Here it is, a little egg pan.
Ah, yeah. Little egg pan.
And look at love. It's even got a little egg on the handle.
So
and that little
cute.
egg's got feet. See?
Yeah,
but it's
that's
not
right.
happy. It's got a
Yeah,
sad
that's
face
right.
on it though. He's probably like, you bastards, you're gonna eat me. Tax down here.
Okay, let's go. Inday, tapos na kami mga inday. It's not cold, love. It's just super cold. Oh my god, it's super cold. Sobrang lamig eh. Sobrang lamig. Yung bata natin nandyan, yung bata natin. Be careful, you look. Let's go, Asher. Ito, kunin ka sa baby kano, day. Day, kailangan namin bumalik, day, doon sa grocery store, day. Nakalimutan niya yung coke niya. Nasa ice, nasa snow, nilagay niya. Oh, I hope there's no someone will get that one. You know, because it's still not open. So let's see. Maybe there's someone. Kumakain kami ng ano dahil, sorry. Kumakain kami ng biscuit ba? Or cracker. Oh, I hope still there. Naiwanan.
I see ya.
Now you are happy? Nandyan pa dahil. I cannot really see it, love, because you want to get that one?
Yeah.
You cannot really see it. Because it's hiding in the snow. Tingnan nyo, day, oh. Nilagay niya dito, day. Ay. Big pa yun dyan, day. My love, you look, check my door. tapusin niyo. Tinutulak niya ako dahil. Subagon ta ka.
We're gonna get kicked out.
Namimili kami dahil. Ito dahil, $1. Uy, no. They are not here. Ayun ba?
Some chocolate covered raisins.
Ah, yeah. You will try. $1 only. $1. Let's go na ng ende. Agoy, lagi. Sumbagong ta naman
Agoy.
yung ka. Hala, they have ano, this one. Kind of, $1.
Yeah, there's like 3 in there. It's $1.50.
Ay, expensive man yan. It's not really expensive, but it's $1.50. Tinutulak niya talaga ako ng asawa ko dahil. Ay, sus, ang bata niya. Shush! Why are you fighting to me, Gani?
I was not.
You're not?
Why do you make accusations that you can't prove?
Oh, sige. This is the proof. You push me, dayon.
There's the proof. See? You see the proof.
Hello mga ate at kuya! Mga inday, nandito na kami sa bahay! Say hi to them! Hi mga ate! Yung mata ni Bibi Kanuday, busy day oh! Busy day kung anong gusto niyang bumaba. Gaya ginuko. Ay, ginuning bata adyo ni ba oh? Tanawa siya oh. Tanawa yung damit eh. Tingnan yung No. That is eggs anak. No ha. Kabisi kay ka ha. Basta nandito ka sa labas, yung mata mo parang kamera. Hindi mo na alam kung anong uunahin mo. Uunahin na paglaruan mga inday. Yung bata jud, oy, Ginoo ko ning bata ah. Wa na jud si Asir. Asir. Tayo ka na ko ron, oy. Close. Teka sa kuha ha. Gusto niyang asinday, di ba maalat yung asinday? Kaya gusto niya yan. Bata batuta oh. Hala, busy na. Open, close, open, close. Bantay, di ka na koron. Oh, sige, mayabo na. Matapon yan, bata. That's enough, be. That's enough na, be. Enough na. Ambe, give me mama, be. Give me that one. Agoy, okay na. Ito na to, ilagay natin dito sa taas, mga inday. Mga inday, i-in ko na ang ating videos for today. Mga inday, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, mga inday. Tulungan nyo kami na ma-monetize dito sa YouTube, mga inday. Thank you, mga inday. Have a good day, everyone. Nak, have a good day, everyone. Bye na. Bye! Busy man na itong bata dahil. Oy, bye-bye mga inday!